Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to download any product video from the Amazon store, then this video is for you. So here you can see I'm on a product page right now. So here it has a video. So if I want to download this video from here, so we just need to do is simply click on that new tab, and you have to open a new tab and simply search for Chrome Web Store, or you can simply search for Web Store. And you can find the Chrome Web Store. You have to go to the Chrome Web Store and you have to simply search for Video Downloader Professional. Here it is. So simply click on it and make sure that you have added it to your Chrome. So this extension will help you to download the video from different types of platforms. Simply click on Add to Chrome. Now simply click on Add Extensions. So it will allow you to download the video. Now here it is. Now simply click on it and you can find that the app is on action right now. So simply click on it and make sure that you have just added it. So I'm going to pin it at this section. So from here you have to play this video for a few seconds, then go to the very beginning just like this and make sure that you have to click on it and show the video list from here. So it not recognizing the video, so you have to simply click on it and open menu, show side panel. So here it is. Now just open the menu. Here it is. Now just like this. Now we are going to close this video from here and we are going to reopen or refresh this page here. Now you have to go to the video, and here once you will find this red dot with this arrow icon, that's mean it has just got that video. Here it is, that video is now running. Now you can actually download the video. Here you should download the most larger file size of that video. Simply click on download and it will allow you to download that video on your file manager. Here you can see it is just downloading. So that's how you can just simply download it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.